I joined Bhagyashhri, I think 1 year back, and prior joining this yoga, I was having the issues, thyroid and cholesterol and everything, and my thyroid levels were extremely high. But after joining this, it has gone down, and my medication has stopped. So this is the like I have never thought in my wildest dream that this medicine can stop. So this was the amazing benefit I got from the yoga. Apart from that, the calmness in mind and concentration level, balance and everything. So amazing. Yeah. Thank you.
Well, as usual, very good session by Bhagyashhri and Base Studio along with Bharti, of course. The best part, and again I want to repeat it, that everything which she does is actually with the motive to improve the fitness level and overall wellness of her student rather than just doing a tick mark activity. So overwhelmed, I think it's a great thing. Thank you.